Hello friends, this is Amit from mcqforall.com, and today we are going to, I mean, I'm going to explain you a very basic question been asked by the candidates. Is like from the railway RRB candidates is like where are the previous year papers, or do we have any previous year paper to practice for, or can we have the previous year papers? In fact, we at mcqforall.com have tried to upload the previous year paper for almost nearly around 60 exams, but there is no previous year paper into railway RRB. Why it's so? And the reply is there is no exact available previous year paper for you people. Believe me. See, why it's so? The question comes like why it's so is like why there is no previous year paper. And the reply is coming from vast research which I did along with many of my peers. It's like we had the railway RRB full scale opening in 1998. Before that, it was a regular opening for within 2 years or 3 years. But from 1998, it was held by Supreme Court of India because of some corruption in the railway RRB. And this and due to some of the RRB new zonal created while this the Indian government of 2002, that was this Atal Bihari Vajpayee government when the RRBs before that RRBs used to be into a single entity broken into new zones, and because of that this highly respectable jobs of JE and SSC were held for a very long time. But then again the government changed, and now we have the opening in 2014 November December, and again we have the openings in 2015 for the same positions. So believe me, in 1998 there was no internet. So and though paper was allowed to take in home, but nobody had taken. There is no available scanned copy of those paper. And if somebody is selling you those paper, junior engineer and senior sectional engineer, he is fooling you. Now coming to the 2014 exam, 2014 had just around 6 months back, and into that exam paper was not allowed to take away. It means every paper used after the examination were submitted to the invigilator, and nobody could able to get the paper out of the exam hall. So if somebody is selling you the previous year paper, and he says that this paper came into that year, then ask him the exact year, okay? Because there is no paper between 1998 and 2014. Now, before 2000, before 1998, the pattern was very different. There used to be 250 questions, and the timing used to be of 3 hour around that timing. We had one paper, but that paper itself is very different. There was no current affairs into that, only GK portion used to be there. And of course, the question level were always different into comes into different paper, and there was no journal science. That used to be a departmental before 1998. And in 2014, paper was not allowed to take it home, so nobody had the paper with them. So how come the previous year paper is into the market? Not possible. Now, how to verify that? If somebody says on internet, previous year paper this many years, if that person able to give you the first paper, very first paper of any exam, come with rules and regulations, and the point marking, negative marking, all this information, generic information. If that paper is there, that page is there scanned as a first paper, then believe on that. Else, please do not believe on any paper available into the market. Be real to yourself. Papers nowadays are not allowed to take it home, so nobody can give you the paper. And before 1998, there was no online thing. There was no scanning. There used to be scanning, but there was no, some kind of scanning keeping in the mind that it will be used for previous year papers. And if there was a paper, those papers were of different pattern. Now it is also true that there was no such kind of there was no opening. There was opening, but for diesel mechanics, for specific kind of engineering department opening from different RRBs between 1998 and 2014. But those are not JE and senior sectional engineers. Believe me, JE and senior sectional engineer is one of the most designated pay band into railway, and these openings used to be a very rare. Since this government have kept in the mind to put investment into railways, so we are seeing this many opening. Otherwise, there was no possibility of opening of same position in such a short duration.